Today I'm going to be doing a review on something a little bit unusual. It's a key ring. Now the reason I'm doing the review on the key ring is this one by Nite Ize is exceptional. I've been through a few key rings which I'll show you in a moment, but this one is the best I've ever had. And primarily the reason for the video is I've bought another one because I was so impressed with this. I got one for my wife, and it's the next iteration. There's a big improvement on it, so I just want to go through with you what the key ring does and how effective it is. I've always been a big fan of the key rings where you can basically take a key off without having to break your nails. So if you imagine it, your key's on there and it's just been removed like that, easy. However, there's a downside, and that downside is they do have a tendency of just coming undone really easily and flipping off. I've lost a couple of memory sticks just with this one because it just needs to get caught in something and be pulled and then it's off, and I'll show you that again. And that's pretty much the same with all of these. They look good, but I say if it gets caught in something, it's out. So a while since, I'll just pop that back on there. A while since I was searching around on eBay and I found this one, which is, you see the name on the Nite Ize. Did some research into it and they do lots and lots of things, carabiners, all sorts of things. So I thought I'd give this a try. Now, this is the individual key holder. So you can still use, can't see any on this one, but basically, there's your key and you just take it off. Easy, just like that. Or putting it back on, just a case of clipping it in like that. Or you can take the whole carabiner off that's fine, and then pop it back on. And there's obviously a belt clip if you want it, or to put it on your handbag. So as I say, really impressed with that. I've lost absolutely nothing off there since I got it, and because I was so impressed, I bought this one for my wife. Now I want to show you how they've updated it. So this bit's exactly the same, yeah, your belt clip or going onto a handbag. But what they've done is they've updated this clip here. And if you can see the black bit in the middle there, what that does now, so I can put something on, as you can see there, I can put a key on it. Let me just get one to show you. I'll take one off here. Right. So this onto here, no problem, just push it on, just open that and pop that in, and there's quite a bit of back pressure there, so it's not going to come off. Plus you'll see there's a little holder there, so nothing's going to slide out from underneath it, but you never know what could happen. Now to make doubly sure, what they've done is they've put this black plastic clip in there, and it's a turn screw, and basically if I turn that now into that position, there's no way, you can see, there's no way that I can actually open that wide enough now to get that out. So it's almost like a safety lock. Really impressive. I think about £9 I've paid for this, but as I said, this is the next iteration and it's fantastic. And again, to take it off, just turn it and then you can open it easily and take your key off. So when I took my car the other day in to get a service, there was no fumbling around, no breaking my nails trying to get this off there. It's simply a case of at the desk, there we go, and that's my key. And then when I got it back, just popped it back on there. So Nite Ize, really big recommendation. There's the two styles, the tops exactly the same as you can see there, but they've made an improvement with the key. So there you have it, the Nite Ize key ring. Now the one thing that I will say is you can actually have these with different colours, or it can come in all black, but if you have them in different colours you can actually colour code them. So for example, if you want to give somebody the garage key and this is red, then you know to look for the red one, and that's how that works obviously. So big recommendation.